Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be my second beauty subscription box unboxing for March, and it is the glossy box. This is what it looks like. So back to the usual pale pink box. No special edition design this month, but I have been told that they are doing a limited edition box which will be announced in the next week or two, so look out for that on their social media. So if you're new to Glossybox, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you have seen it before and you just want to see what I've received in this month's box, then as always I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to click forward. So Glossybox is one of the cheapest beauty subscription boxes out there. So this is the UK box, but they also have Glossybox all around the world, but they are different boxes. They cost £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. So I have a discount code off a monthly rolling box, which I'll link down below, but they also offer 3, 6 and 12 month subscription boxes as well. They've also just brought in, since last month, the option to go for a 12-month subscription box, which would bring down the cost from £10 a box to £8.50 a box, but you can pay monthly as well, because previously if you wanted a 12-month subscription you had to pay the lot, which is £100 odd up front, but now they've done it so that you can pay monthly. This is a PR box, so this was sent to me yesterday, but I do keep my paid for subscription running as well, because I never know how long these PR boxes are going to last, so I want to keep the subscription running. But everything related to this box, including my other social media pages and things, will be written down below, so if you click on the show more underneath this video, that will bring up the description in full and everything will be down there. Links to this, links to the subscription, links to my refer a friend code, etc. So it'll all be down there if you're interested. So yeah, so inside then you get a good mix of beauty products. You get a mix of hair care, skincare and makeup, and I believe we have had some perfume in the past as well. So you get 5 items a month. Sometimes they pop in some freebies in there. Inside you get a card detailing you everything about the products, including the costs as well, which I like because I like to tot it all up and to tell you the overall value of the box. So yeah, I think that's about it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is what it looks like inside there, but we've got a little bit of a different leaflet. Normally it's just like one piece card, but now it's got more information, so that's what that looks like there. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. I quite like it actually, and it's got an April sneak peek. Get excited Glossies, we're having double the fun this April with 2 special design fruit and floral glossy boxes. Oh wow, bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blossoming with flowery undertones. Both edits include a pomegranate superfood generating sleeping mask by Dr. Botanicals. But which edit will you receive? Oh, so we'll have either a fruit designed one or a flower one, so that's our sneak peek for next month. So let's open it up and see what we got. Right, I'll show you first. Whoa, there, I think everything will fall out, so I'm going to put this down to the side of me, grab an item, show you, and then look at this card. So I've seen a press release, but as always I don't like to look in detail because I do like to have a little bit of a surprise, but yeah, and I haven't had a look inside this box yet, so I don't know what I'm going to get. So the first item, it's a bottle, it's new, and it's by Toni & Guy, and it's illuminating hair perfume. Oh my gosh, hair perfume. Oh my gosh, that is different. Illuminating. Okay, hold on. Amplify your look with our iconic Toni & Guy fragrance, a unique blend of zesty and citrus florals with added shine. This is a perfect finish to any style. Lightly mist over your hair after styling or on the go for perfect finish. Okay, I've never seen anything like this before. Wow, let's have a smell. I like the packaging. Ooh, it smells quite nice. It does, it smells a little bit of ginger. But no, it smells quite fresh. But yeah, it's just my hair shiny. I don't know. It's a little bit different, isn't it? Illuminating hair. So what's it say in here then? So this is a handbag size. The recommended retail price for the full size is £7.99. I know it doesn't say anything extra than what I've read on the back of that. So yeah, I think that's a bit different, isn't it? I've never tried anything like that before. So I suppose once you've done your makeup, you've done your hair, you're getting ready to go out, the last touch is possibly one of these to make your hair all shiny and smell nice. But I'd be interested to see how that contradicts with your actual body perfume, if you know what I mean. So you wouldn't want to be smelling of loads of different smells. But no, it's quite nice. It's not strong at all. It is quite nice and fresh, but it has got that little bit of a ginger undertone, which I wasn't expecting. But no, it's quite nice. But we'll see if it becomes something I use regularly or not. At the moment, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Next item, we got something here. Oh, this is our sneak peek from last month, and this is by Bibi, and this is a lip plumper lip balm. When I showed you the sneak peek last month, I was like, oh wow, it sounds really good, interesting. It wasn't until I went downstairs I've actually got one, and I can't remember where I had it from. I haven't had it from a glossy box unless it was an advent calendar. If any of you know, please let me know, because I've actually got one, and it was downstairs. It's all my lip balms are either in my handbag, they are dotted around everywhere, but generally I give them out. I leave them around the house so that my kids can have them, because they, you know, they've got lips as well, and they often you want to use lip balms, obviously. So yeah, I found this downstairs, so it is nice. It's quite a tingly one, and it's yeah, what's it say? It's 100% natural, certified vegan and cruelty free, but this is a 10ml, so a nice little handy size there. But yeah, I completely forgot, went out my mind. So what's it say? So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £9. And it says, boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum, I don't know, that plump your pout and enhance its natural shape. So that's the second item there. Next, we've got a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Rose Petal. Ooh, now we've had a few Bella Pierre Cosmetics items before, and we've had some lipsticks as well, but I don't think we've had them for a while from Glossybox. I can't think now, unless it's another subscription box. Well, that's a pretty colour. That is really pretty. There we go. These lipsticks are lovely. They're really lovely, from memory anyway. They glide on and they're like a mousse. Let me see. Whoa, that is darker than I thought, but no, I like it. I like it. I do have quite a few of the similar shades like this, or maybe exact ones. I do tend to go for these sort of berry colours. I do, as you can see, I've got like a berry lip on today, but that's more like a aubergine plum colour, and that's lovely. But yeah, Bella Pierre lipsticks are really nice, really nice. So this is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price for this is £20, and it says, feel like a goddess with one of Bella Pierre's full coverage, high impact liquid lipsticks. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours and without needing a touch-up. So my memory, I can't remember if we've already had one of these before in a glossy box, but I can't remember. So that's our third item, I believe. Next, we've got a Essence product, and this is Glow to Go. Oh, brilliant. Illuminating setting spray. Oh, where's mine? I've got a MAC one here, so it's a little bit more expensive, but oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's the gold lit one. Look, I've got hardly any left, so it'd be interesting to try this. I haven't tried many Essence products before, but no, let's see what it says. It's a 50 mils, and yeah, I'll just show you and I'll read the little leaflet. Hold on, I want to try my hand first. It's got like a little bit of like an opaly, you're not going to be able to see on there. Very faint, but like a pinky opaly sort of shimmery type thing. I'll try a little bit on my face, hold on. Okay, I tried quite a lot. I love setting sprays. Oh my gosh, look. That's not good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, okay. Oh, that is a shame. It's a shame that it's come out in blobs. Maybe if I just shake it up more and do a few more squirts, then it'll come out as a finer mist, which is what you want for your face. You don't want it to come out in blobs. Especially if you tend to wear a lot of makeup like I do now and again. But we'll see what it says in here. What's it say? This is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price is £3.30. And it says this illuminating setting spray not only stops your makeup from smudging, but it boasts fine light reflecting particles that will give you a glowing complexion in seconds. Spray it 30 centimeters from your face for a confidence boosting shimmer that lasts all day. Did I do that? Maybe I didn't. Maybe it was too close. but it should be about there. But yeah, maybe I did it too close and that's why I had blobs on my face. But no, let me know if you use this, if you've experienced the same as well, or maybe I just didn't do it properly. I tend to do it in front of a mirror so that I have an idea. Plus I tend to do it when my hair is off my face as well, because you don't want your hair to get soaking, do you? Well, I don't anyway. So no, so I'm quite excited to try that. I will give that another go. So that's our 4th item. And then the last is a Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is a Dew Pot Illuminator. Okay, that's what the outer packaging looks like. I like the sound of dew, make my skin look dewy. I can't open it. Right, there we go. Oh, it looks familiar. It does look familiar. Hold on, I'll show you what it looks like first. So that's the outer packaging, and there's this there. I'm sure we've had this, yeah, we have had this before. There. That's what it looks like there. I'm not going to touch it because I've had this before and I personally don't like it. I think it's more like you can use it as a blush, highlighter, or on your lips. I think, anyway. I'll have a read now. I might be completely wrong, but it does ring a bell and I ended up giving mine away. Laritzi Cosmetics is a great brand. We have had their products quite a bit in subscription boxes. Some I like, some not too keen, but I'm sure we've had this before. It does look the same. So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £15.30. This smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultra-fine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones and cupid bow for a rosy lit from within glow. So these are all the products. We've got 5 beauty products in this month's box and it all comes to around £55–56. So again, way above the cost of the actual box. So the idea behind this box I think is great. You have got a great mix of product. You've got a Laritzi highlighter, you've got a lip plumper, you've got a hair shine spray and fragrance, which is a bit cool. And then you've got a lipstick and you've got a setting spray. So I think as a whole these products are really, really great. For me it's too familiar and I'm not too sure if it's familiar for Glossy Box or familiar in subscription boxes in the whole, because as we know they do cross over with products and stuff, so which can't be helped, I understand. But I'm sure we've had this Laritzi before and I'm sure we've had this lipstick, the Bella Pierre lipstick before as well. Whether or not I've had that colour or not, again I can't remember, but I do like it. I do like it. And yeah, I've had this lip plumper as well and I'm sure it was with Glossy Box, but I'm sure it was with the advent calendar. So for me personally I think it's a good box, but it's not a wow box this month, and I think it's because of all the familiars that are in here for me. Say for instance if I just subscribed to Glossy Box a couple of months ago, I would be really chuffed with these products. They are exciting. As I said, the thought behind it is great. You have got a little bit of everything. So we're all different in our thoughts and opinions, but I'd love to know what yours are. Do you think it's good value for money? Do you think it's exciting this month? And will you be using all these products as well? But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.